Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block someone on Facebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to whatever profile you want to block. So just navigate over, search in the search bar, and then locate that person. Whether they're a friend or not doesn't really matter, but you just want to go ahead and locate them on the people list here. Just left click on it, left click on their profile, and then select the three-dotted icon next to message, and then select where it says block. And this will prevent them from seeing posts in your timeline, tagging you, inviting you to events or groups, messaging you, or adding you as a friend. Select confirm, and then select close, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.